Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg soup tasty. First, begin with a high-quality vegetable broth. It's the backbone of any delicious soup. Next, gently sauté your aromatics, such as chopped onions, carrots, and celery, until they are softened and slightly caramelized. This step builds a crucial flavor base. Finally, incorporate fresh, vibrant vegetables, ensuring they are cut into uniform pieces for even cooking. To truly elevate your soup, don't shy away from herbs and spices. Add them early in the cooking process to allow their flavors to fully bloom. A small amount of acidity, perhaps a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a splash of vinegar, can cut through richness and brighten the overall taste. For an extra layer of depth, incorporate umami-rich ingredients like a tablespoon of tomato paste or a few dried mushrooms. Achieving the right texture is key to a satisfying soup. Cook your vegetables just until they are tender crisp, retaining some bite and preventing them from becoming mushy. For a richer mouthfeel without adding cream, try blending about 1/4 of the soup before returning it to the pot. Finally, enhance your soup's appeal with a thoughtful garnish, such as fresh parsley, a swirl of olive oil, or some toasted seeds. Before serving, always taste and adjust your seasonings. A pinch more salt or a grind of fresh black pepper can make a significant difference. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil or a dollop of pesto can add a luxurious finish and aromatic complexity. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade vegetable soup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.